Hello programmers, hope you all are well. So today in this lecture we will learn about HTML attributes. We are continuing our HTML course. So what are attributes? I put here we can add more options to our tags with attributes. So it's like configuration. We add more power to HTML by attributes. Example, the A tag accepts the href attribute. With this attribute, we can choose a website to redirect a user. It can be our website with another page or an external website. We can add what we want, and when some user that access our site clicks in the link, this A tag generates a link, he will be redirected to the site that is set in the href attribute. So many tags have attributes like images or forms. We will learn a lot of tags in this course, so we will have time to learn other attributes. In this lecture, we will focus in the A tag to keep it simple, and as the course goes, we learn new ones. So let's see in practice. Let's open up our editor, VS Code, and try some attributes, some hrefs on our A tags. Let's go. So here you can open the file in the browser. I have a station called live server. You can download here in the marketplace of VS Code that creates a server for us in our computer. So you can say it's more professional. And after you install the station, you can just click with the right button here in the file and select Open with Live Server. And the browser will open our file. So we are running our file in a server in this IP address. That means we are running on our machine. Okay, this is the HTML of our last class. Now we're going to add a tag. So how we write a tag? It's like the others. We open and close with the angle brackets. We have a closing tag too. And here in the content, we put a text that the user that visits our website will see, like click here. So after that, we can save the file and we access the browser. We see a text, a normal text like a paragraph. So how does become a link? We can add the href attribute here. So now it will have the appearance of a link, and if you click here, it does nothing. So how we can redirect a user to another website? We simply can write the domain or the name of the site here, like https://www.google.com. Okay, now when the user clicks the click here button or text, he will be redirected to Google, like this. So now we created a redirected link to another external website coming from our website. And how we can link to another page of our website. We can create another file here, like page.html, and put just an h1 like page. Okay, it's okay. And we can copy this tag, create a new one, and change the text, go to page. And here, instead of the link of Google, we can put the name of the file, like page.html. And now, when you click in this new link, in the go to page link, the browser redirects us to the page.html. So this the same domain or website, but another page. This is the way how we can redirect a customer of our website to another page. Here we are creating a page like files. So if we had a backend language like PHP, this would be a little different. So for projects that don't have backend, and if you don't know what backend is, we can do a lecture about it later. But you can think this is the correct way to link to another page when our project doesn't have a server managing pages. Okay, so this is the href attribute. We have another attribute in the htag. We can put other attributes if the tag has these attributes, like target equals underline blank. Will open Google, but in another tab. So let's see. If you click here now, Google opens, but in another tab. So this is a little change of configuration that can create a new functionality in your website, and many sites does it when the link leaves the main site, like we did here, to go to Google. Okay, so this is the HTML attributes. We have a lot of them, but we will learn as the course goes, as the course continues. And for these lectures, this is it. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below some topic you want to see about HTML. See you in the next lecture.